Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing Color Lab and the Auto Clicker app so they can communicate. Grant accessibility or input permission access to the clicker. This lets it send clicks into Color Lab. Once done, launch Color Lab first, then open the Auto Clicker so it detects the window. Make sure overlay permissions are off if they interfere, and test a single manual click to confirm the target area registers before proceeding to automated mapping. Now you map the actionable areas inside Color Lab that need automation. Use coordinate recording when resolution is fixed or image recognition if elements move. Coordinates are faster, while images handle dynamic layouts. Configure interval timing and repeat counts to avoid overwhelming the app. Shorter intervals speed throughput but can cause misses. Once mapped, lock the resolution and test each mapped point in isolation. Finally, execute a controlled run and monitor how Color Lab responds so you catch misfires early. If clicks miss, increase delay slightly and re-record that region. Timing and small coordinate shifts usually fix issues. Make sure Color Lab stays in foreground and scaling settings remain constant, because DPI or window moves break mappings. If something goes wrong, restart Color Lab and the clicker, then re-record only the failing points, rather than remapping everything to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.